Hey guys, welcome to the Shake Room. It's your boy AJ. We're in the building today with a brand new episode. We have a lot to unpack. You see me I say? Yeah man, we have to try to get accent together because we are talking about Jamaica. Yeah, we got a lot to unpack, and as you know, it's your boy AJ. Welcome to the Shake Room. Those of you who are new, you know what I mean, just tell a friend to subscribe to that channel, yeah? And look what's up me, guys. I go on with a bag of things around here. You see me I say? And guys, before we get into anything at all, check out that new artist, yeah? We'll be right back with you.
Take on the road like taxi. That's it. Yeah, grab it. Back them back. Them sleep on trilogy with my eyes open. Keep my eyes on the prize, that's my token. Don't let the game off like mama said, no, you can fight this.
Yes, guys, that's Dapper Dan for you guys. Yeah, go check him out on YouTube. Dapper Dan, D-R-O-P-A Dan, Dapper Dan. You know what I mean? He's a new artist out. Go check him out. But yo, guys, we have a lot to talk about with the Gaza Nation. Yes, the Gaza Boss Company. Pause. Yes, the Gaza Boss. The Gaza Boss attend Isaac Buchanan, his lawyer, podcast. It called Context Matters. Yes, sir. So we want to talk about some things where Gaza Boss have to talk about. Him say the system is not broken. You know what I mean? Just so for some people and faster for some people. Plus you have to have money. You can work the system, how the system was designed in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So some people will need to stop what I want. A Gaza man say him spend over 250 million on the whole case since he been incarcerated. You know what I mean? You take it to the Privy Council, that's just how much pound, you know? So yeah, here Gaza Boss have to say about that one.
You bring up the question. No. You are leading the question.
But you don't know.
All right. But no, seriously though. When you think about the system and what you endure, I'm just gonna ask people: are you gonna sue for losses? What's your thought right now?
I said, remember, you know, just the last leg of the case. What do you call it?
The Privy Council.
No, not even Privy Council. After that, when you come back to Jamaica,
yeah,
that little 5
Oh,
days,
the retrial.
the retrial in a court of appeal there. Just the affidavit them and the application them. A 14 million Jamaican dollar it cost me. You know that. Privy Council, that about 600,000 pounds. That 100 million Jamaican dollar. I want to start talking about the Jamaica appeal, now the Jamaica first trial. You understand? So that's supposed to answer the question. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so that's a yes. I mean, I hear you answer the question.
Context, but just give the people them some context. And it matters. Go figure.
All right. With you.
Yeah.
Context matters. It's him do the lawyer thing a while ago. But in terms of
them their own lawyer so long, we must sketch the vernacular and catch the slang them.
Well, the court says Leslie Campbell wasn't a lawyer or a doctor. So
here you go, guys. You hear a bag of things. Vybz Kartel continue on saying the reason why he get 238 tattooed on his face is because of paragraph 238 that he used to win his Privy Council case. Let's hear what Vybz Kartel have to say.
How much years ago that? You tell me that. And show me the clause. What you call it? A clause, right?
The paragraph, yeah.
So in the judgment, people, paragraph 238 is the paragraph where eventually the Privy Council use and overturn the conviction. So we can explain it. But from 2020, from 2020, I tell me, say, you see the paragraph in 238, he make a joke and say, tattoo it by your face. And him never know, say, I tattoo boss is him I talk to, so. That 4 years ago, I said that. Yeah, man, I rate him to the ground when he walk on, man. Because enough people have said to me, say, oh, you fire the big shooter, them like Miss Nita and Tom and Bert and Jaffa at the time, an unknown liar. But I just say energy where the man give me and some things them said to me. When him forward a Spanish town, them time they a Spanish town prison me there. And through me is a man where me can see talent. I remember enough you to turn in a star. Exactly. No, we're not saying much no.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
But
It's fine. Sean, stop. Don't push it.
It was unknown. You understand? And that's the way him talk. And him tell me something else about the tampered, the what the thing name where when you move up things in the
metadata.
Metadata. I mean I said then, oh my big lawyer, they must spend much millions of dollars upon. Not tell me about no metadata.
Oh, so this was before the song Jump on the Beat and Beat It.
Jump on the Beat and Beat It.
Yeah, you have a thing where say big up all the lawyer them with
the money. They're not the big lawyer them.
Oh, okay. We're just making clarity. Say it wasn't me. Shaggy.
No,
Shaggy. It was
the big lawyer them matter.
All right.
But yeah, man, I forward and I tell you, say the man fear unknown you, the man I tell me something where it will blow me events and thing. Why if he blow? But
yeah.
I mean,
the context matters.
I mean, I say, yo, me I go write a letter, I go write like 4 letters and fire the big liar them, and you want to deliver the letter. And me give him it. And him drive out and shut up everybody and I say, yo, him are the man.
Allegedly. No shots were fired. But
so,
listen.
Yeah. So 238.
Yes.
We just digress for a minute. So 238, him tell me that from 4 years ago, say at that paragraph there, I'm a saving grace. Different than God himself. You know? So we know say Jeremy and I'm DPP officer mad himself.
Who? Okay. You know,
Why? Seems like Isaac about Vybz Kartel from saying something just know what he's not supposed to say. But you know, yeah, I mean, Vybz Kartel out and him free and him happy. You know, big up Gaza boss. So Isaac Buchanan asked Vybz Kartel what is his thoughts on the prison system in Jamaica, and this is what he said.
The court.
Yes.
I'm gonna speak to you on the court and the Constitution.
Mm-hmm.
What are your thoughts on those two in light of what has happened to you?
I mean, the system working, but it does. As a junior gang say, it works slow. I remember the song or the exact quote in the song.
Mm-hmm.
But like, yeah, the wheels of justice in Jamaica, it spins slow.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And it spins faster for some people than others, apparently.
All right, but before your case, did you know the power of the Constitution?
No. To be honest, I never had a think about the Constitution like that. Mm. I remember we grew up in Jamaica, so we grew up and see injustice right round.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Because I Waterford, me grow. So we see injustice right round. So I not even did I think much about Constitution and the rights of people. Because when we are grow, we never have no rights. Nobody in our community never have no rights. Police come, them do what them want to do. Soldier come, them do what them want to do. So, no, I never did that. I never care much for the Constitution.
Mm. All right, so in terms of...
And then most of we not even did know our rights.
Do you know it now?
Yeah, me? Yeah, definitely. Because you know me have years to study and in a prison to study and read and understand.
Mm.
But what about the common man in the street?
All right,
Still no name right. Police see must say, boy, pull your phone. And him just pull in phone. You know them there? Yeah. And police come here and say, open the door. And him just open the door. But then again, if him don't open the door, when the police kick off the door, what happen to him?
Mm-hmm.
You know? So you have to look on that too.
All right. So sometimes you have to give up your rights to save your life. You have to give up
your rights to save your life.
But
so that I get to get the experience.
What do you say to those who would have said that if you weren't Vybz Kartel, you wouldn't access justice? Or what's your response to that?
But I don't lie. And I mean 6 or 1/2 dozen of the other. Because only if I get a youth, they are prison right now where we left. Right chance time, or we left a prison where. If them did have money, them would do their prison.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So, I believe that to be true. Because I never have my money Me dead in a show. I remember me have my money and look how long them take for free me. Same way. Me have to go away at England and then forward back. Round trip. You understand? So yeah, of course me believe that. So what if I youth? And me see it for myself too. Because me spend 12 years in the institution them. But they are rising. We got Spanish Town, we got GP, couple small jail, we go back and rising. So that's true.
Yes, Gaza Nation, big up yourself. You don't know already. Big up Real Boss. Big up Isaac Buchanan. Context matters, you know what I mean? Big up all our people, them. Big up all our viewers, them. Continue to share my video, continue to like my video, you know, continue to subscribe. Those of you who are new, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Yeah.